Up for sale, I got a 1969 Mustang SportsRoof, finished in red with black interior. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Mustang SportsRoof, or Fastback, however you want to put it. Finished in red. It's got new paint, new chrome, a lot of new trim, new tires, new wheels, mostly new interior. A lot of new components on the car are new, freshly built motor. So let me get to that. Real nice paint. There's just a couple little flaws in a couple areas. I'll point those out when I do get there. But, you know, as a whole, the paint is pretty nice. Like I said, all the chrome is new. So both bumpers, even like the wipers are new. I call it a chin strap, but it's a chin spoiler. That's new. They put that on. It's got a good look to it. New tires and new wheels, like I said. And even the inside of the wheels, when you do look at them, they're like brand spanking new. So we'll start right here. I'll cover this fender. And I will pop the hood so you can check it out. Let me see which one. There we go. So it is a newer, more modern type of 302, which has just been rebuilt not too long ago. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. Wind intake. It's got a newer serpentine system with power steering. Now, cool about this car, it is a factory AC Mustang. Now in '69, that's a pretty rare option. And with the new serpentine system, you get a more modern power steering pump with that. Excel super coil wires. It's a little more of a performance motor. So it's cool. I mean, the underneath is reinforced. Nicely painted underhood. Again, new trim. So you see the nice, beautiful chrome bumper in the front. I'll leave the hood open for the duration of the video. A couple of flaws right down there on the paint. I know what you're wondering. It does sit a little high. The gentleman liked it like that, but it does not take too much effort to lower it down. Luckily, it sits upper level, like my dad pointed out actually. It sits up in the front and the back, but it still sits level, so it doesn't take too much effort to just, you know, change the springs, the shocks. It has rear coil-over shocks in the back, so I'm sure that adds to it a little bit. So, I mean, but like I said, the gentleman liked it the way it was, and I can't argue with people. The gaps are nice. So, it has new fenders on both sides, so, you know, rather than trying to rebondo, remolest anything that was there before, they put brand new on. And because of that, nice and straight. So, while I said they replaced most of the trim, you know, they didn't replace this. And again, like my 70 Mach 1 that I have, it fits here. Again, I think the moisture comes and hits this as you're going, and it's susceptible to it because of that. So those are about those two things. Nice door panels, nice door jamb. Nicely painted red down there. It gives it a little good look. Electric fan and electric fuel pump. So the panels down there for that, you flip them on kind of like you're doing blast off on a ship. New bucket seats, new rear seats. Dash pad's excellent. That I assume this is new too. Nice forged steering wheel. Got the gauge cluster there. And there you go, you see your defrogger, stuff like that. AC from that. Automatic, so it's a C4 trans with the 302. Nice headliner. And the back seat area is nice too. With the fuel pump, I will start it up actually. Normally my dad does it, but I will do that when I get to it. With the fuel pump, it's beautiful. Turn it, fires right up. Sitting, fires right up. So, again, new rear quarters as well, and they did replace those too, so that's really nice in there. Little mark right there on the paint. Spoiler on the back. All the glass is pretty nice. There's no cracks. And I mean, if you look at it, it's a really beautiful looking car. It really does. It really is, excuse me. New rear bumper, you know, stuff like this is new. His dual exhaust sounds pretty good. Just want to make sure I've been talking a little bit more to make sure I didn't overlook anything. I know I pointed out that one thing. Oh, so I can't tell you how long ago it was repainted, but by the looks of it, it's pretty recent. Again, replacement with the inner replacement. So again, rather than molesting any kind of old fender and using a lot of Bondo, they went with replacement, which, you know, I'd rather have that than a loaded with Bondo. A lot of trim like this is on the newer side. Again, you got a little bit of pitting there and there. For whatever reason, I know here, there's some little like micro dimples right on this lower edge. So I'm not sure what happened there. But the other side doesn't have that. That's why I was confused. You know, let me go double check the other side just to make sure. Because I looked. There's one right there. Okay, I missed that. Carrying on. I assume it has new carpet as well. It looks in pretty good condition. You got that oversized built-in floor mat. Show you here. See, that's the fuel pump that kicks in. The fans kicked in. There you go. So, well, let's keep going. Here's the, again, new bucket seats, the new rear seats. Nice headliner again. Keep going. So it will be up for sale later today. Like I said, 69 Mustang, SportsRoof, red, black interior. I do have the Marty report for it. Newer, rebuilt, 302, little performance behind it. C4 automatic trans. The upgraded serpentine with the power steering. It is a factory AC Mustang. So, we will fire it up now. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Alright, we're going to fire her up now. Any second, give me a thumbs up.